this morning, Dallas?
I'm a little seedy, not gonna lie.
With a sexy lady. That's not sexist. That's what the drink's called. And I actually took footage of the drinks list just to prove it. A little bit of a rough start this morning. After our arrival yesterday evening, we promised ourselves a quiet night, and we broke that promise without much convincing at all.
Went to see our friends, and one thing led to another.
It's what happens when It's just what happens when you meet up with friends after such a long time, and everyone's happy to see each other, and it's just good. But we powered through it. A couple of hours sleep, lots of liquids today. And
so we're on the boat. We're one of the first ones on the boat, so we're a little bit before we depart.
Oh no, about 20 minutes left of scheduled departure.
Yeah, 20 minutes fine.
Yes.
If people are late, then it's gonna drag it out.
And before we go any further, please like and subscribe to this video for more great content. And I promise you, this trip is gonna be really great. So where are we headed, Del?
Well, right now we're headed to Krabi. Ao Nang specifically. To get detailed about it.
We've got some more friends over there that we're gonna meet up with. And we've got to behave ourselves tonight, because I'm not doing another night like that tonight. We've got one of our friends is going to pick us up from the hotel, take us down to get a couple of rental motorbikes so that we can do a little bit of exploring. Still got a bunch of stuff off the Krabi list that we never got to do on the last couple of times, so we have some stuff to definitely look at this time. But we will probably plan that out once we get there, see how we feel. We may need a nap.
And more food.
And some more food, definitely. But that's enough of the boring stuff for now. Let's cut to Krabi. Now in Krabi. So good to lie in a nice bed right now. Got off the boat, got the transfer to the hotel, got in, unpacked, lie down. We've got some friends meeting us shortly downstairs. They're going to take us out to grab some rental motorbikes, and then we're going to need to get some lunch because we are starving. But let's have a look at this very nice and cozy room that we've got. Alrighty guys, now that we're settled in the room, it is off to grab our bikes. I just got a message from my friend Kaimuk. She said that her and her friends are coming to pick us up in the car and that we should wait downstairs for them. So I'm gonna head down now, go get the bikes, come back, shower, unpack, all the other crap that we gotta do, and get on with the day. Let's do it.